Have you ever wished you could create your own music and shine like a professional composer? You might think that making a song requires years of practice, learning specialized skills, and having a professional studio with expensive equipment. But the truth is, artificial intelligence has revolutionized the world of music composition and arrangement. Now, with just a few clicks, you can create your own custom song in any style you like, from pop and rock to hip-hop, electronic, and even movie scores, all in the shortest time. Without any musical knowledge, you can write lyrics, create melodies, and produce professional music with AI. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to use AI music composition tools so you can easily go from brainstorming and writing lyrics to arranging styles, mixing, and mastering, and finally download your finished music file. This isn't just a simple tutorial, it's an artistic transformation. It's time to go from a regular listener to a digital music creator.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
To create music with AI, we visit the Suno website. The latest version, Suno 4, has just been released and is one of the best music generators in the world. On the homepage of this website, you can see a gallery of music created by this AI, categorized into various genres. For example, here you can find categories for trending music, cover songs, and remixes. To listen to the music, just hover your mouse over the cover, and the play icon will appear. By clicking it, you can browse the music. When you click on a song, a player opens at the bottom of the website for controlling the music. On the right side, you'll find complete information about the song, such as the title, creator, and lyrics. By clicking the sign in button located at the bottom left corner, the account creation window opens. You can create an account and log in using various options, such as Google, Apple, Microsoft, or even a mobile number. I will log in with my Google account. After logging in, by clicking the small icon in the bottom left corner, you can access your user profile. To create music with Suno AI, click the Create link in the top left menu of the website. I click on my account credits to get more information about the plans. As of the time this tutorial was published, the free account, named Basic, provides 50 tokens as daily credits at no cost, which you can use for music creation. Once this credit is used up for the day, it will be recharged for free the next day, and you can continue creating music with AI again for free. There is no guarantee, and these plans and capacities may change in the future. In the basic panel, the free credits provided to us can be used to create up to 10 songs per day on Suno AI. Anyway, it's logical to first test the free plan, and if you're satisfied and need more features and capabilities, you can purchase one of the paid plans. Let's go back to the Create section. Please make sure to select the latest version of Suno, which is version 4, from the drop-down menu. To have control over all aspects of the music, I click on the Custom option. There are different ways to start creating music, but let's begin with the lyrics. A song consists of 3 main parts: the theme, the mood, and the structure. Most songs typically include verses and choruses, and sometimes a bridge is used for more variety. The number of verses and choruses is completely subjective and can change depending on the song's theme. Now that we're about to create our first song, I have an idea. A song about a broken heart with 2 choruses and 1 verse. But here's a question. Are you worried about writing the lyrics? Don't worry. You don't have to pick up a pen or write your own poetry. The truth is, many of us aren't songwriters, but there's an incredibly powerful tool here to help us. That tool is none other than ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT can write lyrics. But how? Let's try it together and see how we can get a professional song from it. I'm going to visit ChatGPT, which is our savior here. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write a song about a broken heart with a pop theme, 2 verses, and 1 chorus. I've turned this request into a customizable prompt, and I'll include it in the description so you can edit and use it based on your needs. Now, ChatGPT has written a song for us. I'm going to copy the lyrics. Let's head back to the Suno website. In the lyrics text box, I paste the lyrics. Make sure to specify the titles of the verse and chorus sections so Suno AI can understand them. In the style of music section, you can set the style and mood of the song with words like pop, rock, trance, house, hip-hop, and more. The words you enter in this section help Suno AI understand the style and type of music you need. In the title section, I enter a title for the song. After this, I click the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and in a very short time, the music based on my needs is created and ready. By clicking on any song, I can listen to it.
I thought we'd last forever, but forever's gone too soon. The nights feel colder now, and I can't hear your tune. But all I feel is pain. I gave you all my heart, but
I thought we'd last forever, but forever's gone too soon. The nights feel colder now, and I can't hear your tune. I gave you all my heart, but you walked away too fast. Now I'm drowning in.
Keep in mind that with each song created, a cover is automatically generated and displayed on the right side, along with the lyrics. The songs we've made about heartbreak are beautiful, but now it's time to leave the sadness behind and switch to a happier vibe. Is anyone in your family or close circle celebrating their birthday? Because we're about to create an awesome birthday song and really blow things up. Are you ready? Let's go! I visit ChatGPT, the AI tool. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write a song with a birthday theme, a pop style, with 2 verses and 1 chorus. And just like that, ChatGPT has written us a birthday song. So simple. Now I'll copy the lyrics. Let's head back to the Suno website. In the lyrics text box, I paste the lyrics. I adjust the items in the style of music section. I also give the song a title in the title section to differentiate it from the others. After that, I click on the Generate button. My request enters the queue, and in a very short time, the music based on my needs is created and ready. Notice that now, 4 songs have been made, and I've used 20 tokens of my daily credits. Let's go ahead and check out the new music.
Lights are shining, music's loud, friends are laughing in the crowd. Sky, make a wish, blow the candles out. Celebrate, let the love shine loud. This is your day, your time. Lights are shining, music's loud. Make a wish, let it fly. Tonight's your time to touch the sky. Make a wish, blow the candles out.
The songs we've made about birthdays are cheerful and good, but there are always people around us who need motivation and encouragement to keep going and succeed. So now, let's make a song that gives them positive energy. Let's get started. I visit ChatGPT again. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write a song with a theme of success and motivation, in pop style, with 2 verses and 1 chorus. ChatGPT quickly wrote us the song. The lyrics are ready. Now, I'll copy the lyrics again. Back to the Suno website. In the lyrics box, I paste the new lyrics. I adjust the items in the style of music section again. In the title section, I give the song another title to distinguish it from the others. Then I click on the generate button. My request goes into the queue, and in a very short time, the music based on my needs is ready. Notice that now, 6 songs have been made, and I've used 30 tokens of my daily credits. Let's check out these new tracks.
Woke up with a dream inside my mind. Gonna chase it down, gonna make it mine. No more wait, no more doubt. I'm built for this, my moment's here. Rise and shine, the world is mine. Gonna reach the stars, gonna cross that line. No holding back.
With a dream inside my mind, gonna chase it down, gonna make it mine. No more wait years, I'm built for this, my moment's here. This is calling, I won't delay.
An important question: can we publish the music we create with Suno AI on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and other services, and earn money from them? Can we use these songs in YouTube videos? If you're using the free basic plan and credits, you cannot earn money from these songs. But by upgrading to one of the paid plans, this restriction is removed, and you can use the music commercially. For example, by upgrading to the Pro plan, which costs only $10, you'll get 2,500 credits, which is enough to create 500 songs per day. But the even more interesting part is, all these songs can be published on various platforms without copyright issues. You can earn money from them, and even use them in YouTube videos without worrying about copyright strikes. If you're interested in this, it's best to take a look at the Suno AI terms and conditions and the details of the plans to get familiar with all the features. On the right side of each song, there's a 3-dot icon. By clicking on it, a drop-down list appears, and by selecting the download option, followed by the audio sub option, you can download and save the MP3 file to your device. This tutorial was just the beginning. The world of Suno AI goes far beyond this. With this tool, we can even create songs based on our own voice or receive the raw song file without the singer's vocals. These topics are part of advanced tutorials that we'll cover in the future. Now it's your turn. If you'd like me to publish more advanced tutorials on making music with Suno AI, leave a comment with the words Suno and AI music. The more requests we get, the more likely it is that these tutorials will be made. If there's enough interest, I'll definitely publish more professional tutorials. Otherwise, we'll close the topic. So, if you're interested, leave your thoughts right now. Did you find this tutorial useful? If yes, why just watch? Be sure to show your support, hit the like button, and share this tutorial with your friends. If you're into artificial intelligence, you've come to the right place. Every week, tutorials in this field are uploaded to the channel, so subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Artificial intelligence is the future. Embrace it, and look forward to the next video.